Hello everyone, hopefully you've now done your 3 experiments, so you should have been able to blow up a balloon using chemistry, explode a sandwich bag using chemistry, and also make your popping test tube's lid fly off in the air. So let's talk a little bit about the science and why these things happened. Now when you mix together citric acid and bicarbonate of soda, on their own not a lot's going to happen because solids don't react together very well. But if you mix them with a little bit of water, it helps those two chemicals to react and they create a gas. I wonder if any of you already figured out what that gas is called. Well, it's called carbon dioxide. And what happens with gases is they like to spread out like this. So solids and liquids are quite happy to stay nice and close together, but gases want to be as big as they possibly can. So in the first experiment, you made your carbon dioxide gas and it went up into the balloon and the balloon got bigger. Now that's because the balloon is stretchy, so it was able to stretch and get much bigger. Now when you did the exact same experiment but inside a sandwich bag, the sandwich bag isn't very stretchy at all. It probably stretched a little bit and then it burst. And that's because the material that it was made out of wasn't able to stretch to take up all of that gas. So as the gas got bigger and bigger and bigger, eventually it made it burst. Now your last experiment with the popping test tube, the test tube is made of really hard plastic, so it can't stretch at all. You might have found that you were able to put the lid back on again, and then it would keep creating gas, and then the lid would fly off once more. Now if you happen to have any fizzy vitamin tablets lying around your home, you can break those up and just use a tiny little piece of vitamin tablet, pop it into your test tube with some water, put a little bit of water in there if you need to put some in, put the lid on the top, and then the lid will explode off and it will do exactly the same thing. Now hopefully you had fun with those experiments today, and I look forward to showing you some more experiments next week.